Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Dreamin Diesel channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. I'm gonna do a quick little update video here, update you guys on some shit real quick. Sorry I got a little bit behind on uploading videos for a little while. We are back on track now, ready to go. But we haven't really been filming a whole lot lately, so I'll update you guys real quick. Let's see, what did you guys just saw? I probably just saw the Dodge, bad motherfucker. That might be going away here soon. We'll get more into that probably in a later video, but maybe going away for a little bit smarter decision. So I probably just saw that. And so let's see, we have been working on the crew cab here. We have the motor out. Motor is out, baby. Yeet. Getting her done. Literally just have the motor pulled. Don't have much off of that. Really was not too hard. Sorry we didn't really film anything, but just kind of trying to get some shit done, and we just weren't feeling like filming. But and that was the first time pulling the motor, so not really much worth of a. I don't really like doing a how-to on stuff I've done for the first time, because like kind of actually want to know what I'm doing first. But overall, really not too hard. You know, make sure everything's unbolted. Disconnect all your fuel lines, all your electrical shit, and actually went pretty well. Only bad thing's a little bit of damage to the heater box there, and we missed one ground on the back of the motor. We missed this guy, little guy there, and back on the passenger side. That was it. But overall, relatively easy. I think next time I do one. So this is, I have like all the turbo off, the pedestal off, all that good shit. Next time I do one, or next time I pull a motor, and then when this one goes back in, definitely going to have the fan off, take all the accessories off the front, down to the front cover, and probably pull the intake manifold as well, and then make sure I have all the shit, like probably take this guy off. There's a couple brackets over here, probably take out the wiring for the, just so that's all done and out of the way. Well, that's kind of got to come off for the intake manifold to come off anyways. Try to give you as much clearance as possible, maybe take this guy off. You know, with the hood off and everything, clearance wasn't too bad, but definitely still want as much room as possible. We just used these, you got the hook, where's that guy? The hook, where the fuck is it? Hello? She gone. There she is. We used that hook and that hook back over there. Didn't work out too bad. It was kind of a little bit of, we had to shorten the chain and a little bit of clearance issues over there. But we use the tow motor to take it out. We have lifting brackets here for the intake manifold. I'll probably use those out, but I also want to try to get a plate made that uses the pedestal bolts down in there. I think that would be a good spot. And then it's like, you know, real low down in there. So you want the lowest lifting point possible, so you kind of avoid all the shit with the cab. And then too, if you had your hood on, you definitely got to be lower as possible, you know. But yeah, not too bad overall. So motor out, making some progress. I am kind of cleaning up for gonna paint the frame here. So I'm hoping this weekend we're gonna get all this prepped up tomorrow, paint the frame. We're gonna dust in all of the core support and whatnot, all that body color, paint all that shit real nice, and then hopefully get that motor tore apart, get the front cover resealed, get the rear main resealed, seal up all the oil pan and all that shit down there, bed plate, whatnot, and hopefully have the heads off and ready to go. Lots of shit to get done this weekend. Hopefully be rocking and rolling. We'll probably have the camera going, I would imagine, hopefully. We'll probably do maybe some shit on the paint, and then yeah, some shit on the motor. But yeah, big progress being made. If we can get that all painted, that motor tore apart, get the heads to the machine shop, get those all ready to go, and then if we can get that painted, you know, really making progress, then we can start putting all the front end shit back together. Rocking and rolling. So what else have we been doing? We actually bought another truck. You'll probably see that in next couple of videos. 06 350, little quick flip. Wasn't running when we got it. We'll do a little video on that. But it's currently at Otis, getting painted, a bunch of body work done. So we've been doing that. What else? So also big changes for me. I have decided to not go back to work with my dad and grandpa and all that at the construction company anymore. You know, where this whole shop is. I'm actually be going full time working with Vaughn, doing his landscaping company, and then He works for a kind of like a supply company around here. They do a lot of firewood. Be working for him as well. So yeah, big change. Real excited though. Should have a little more free time. Be a lot happier. I'm not exactly happy here. Just kind of disagree with the way some things are done and kind of the way shit goes around here. Just not too happy with it, and just needed a change. Want to do something new, try something new. So very excited for the new opportunity. Help Vaughn grow his business. Help grow that other business as well, and then hopefully give me more time for the trucks and whatnot when we're not doing all that. So very excited for the new opportunity. But yeah, big changes, and hopefully, you know, like I said, give me more time for all the trucks and the YouTube as well. But yeah, shit is rolling. We are making progress, and big moves are coming. Big moves, you know. Like I said, the Dodge is probably going away. We're making some progress here. Going to be working on the 6.0 soon. All kinds of stuff is going on. But yeah, we're going to be rolling into some landscaping stuff. We'll probably vlog throughout all that shit as well. So if you guys are any kind of landscapers or stuff like that, hauling shit around, we're just going to be filming everything, you know. But yeah, I think enough rambling on for me. Probably next videos you guys will see. Obviously all the work we're going to do this weekend with the paint and the motor, and then we might do a little review on Kyle's new truck, that beautiful 05 606 speed. Damn, that's a clean truck. Probably a little review on that, and then yeah, that's about it, and whatever else comes along. So yeah, I'm gonna stop fucking talking, and hope you guys enjoyed this quick little update video. Little kind of update on what we've had going on. Gonna be filming again. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Hit that like button, leave a comment, any questions, comments, concerns. Looking forward to the future, whatever. Subscribe if you're not already. Also, I don't think for some reason YouTube is not giving out notifications. So if you're already subscribed, maybe unsubscribe, resubscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you guys get notified when I upload. So you're not missing out on anything. Lots more to come. Yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling. Also, share everything if you want. But thanks for watching, guys. That's it. I'll see y'all in the next one.